2022 4runner. We're going to do a sprint booster install. And a lot of people get confused where the plug is. And there it is. That is what we're going to take off and attach the sprint booster to. Very simple. And if you're on t4r.org, we're giving out free t-shirts for anyone placing orders. Currently, there's a locking tab on the other end of this plug. You got to push in, squeeze pretty tight, and then you can pull this off. And that's where the sprint booster plugs into. Sometimes you can't reach around with this finger and you need two fingers, and you push at the same time and pull up. Then the plug comes off and you can plug the sprint booster in. Then the other end here is going to go on the top of the plug up here where we removed the drive-by wire originally. And there it is, clicked on. Then you just want to move these wires out of the way here and zip tie them if you're worried about things moving around. But a lot of times you can just wedge it in here. Just like that, you're away from the heater control and good to go. Finally, we have the wire that goes to the controller. You don't have to hook up this controller, but it's a very good idea to hook up this controller, which is, honestly, it's half the size of my thumb. Looks bigger in the photo, but when we hook up the controller, you can fully adjust the sprint booster to any setting you like. You can also do what's called pedal lock, where you can enter a 3-digit pin on this controller, and then you can fully lock out the gas pedal. If you're going away or your car's parked at an airport for a week or at a strange hotel you don't like. Well, I had a customer who had a 16-year-old daughter. He was a pilot. When he'd go out of town, she would find the keys that he hid. Every time she'd find the keys and go out with her girlfriends, so he didn't want her doing that. So this is as simple as plugging this in right there. It's plugged in, and then we route this wire. We'll probably go under the dash here and mount the controller with the supplied double-sided tape. All right, now the wire's in. That goes to the controller. We got plenty of room on the gas pedal with no interference. Wires out of the way. And then we gotta put the controller right here up on the dash, which fits in pretty good there. No holes, no drilling was needed.